What's the meaning of chicory? Chicory. Chicory.
Chicory. Chicory. Chicory is a flowering plant that belongs to the daisy family. It is cultivated for its leaves, which are used in salads, and its roots, which are roasted and ground as a coffee substitute or additive. The plant has a bitter taste, which is often enjoyed in combination with other flavors. Chicory is also known for its medicinal properties, which include increasing bile production, aiding digestion, and relieving constipation. Overall, chicory is a versatile and beneficial plant with a unique flavor profile.